Now, how will I show up to these awards? I can give the girls Michelle Obama. I can also give the girls B. Good Beyonce. Bree. Nikki, yes. Yes. So, cuties, thank you so much for tuning into this week's vlog episode where I showed you guys my look for this year's Be Yourself Awards. Before I close out, I want to take a couple of questions from you girls. But I do want to know how many of you girls are going. Yes, I can't wait to see you cuties. My hair, is going to be amazing, of course. I'm getting it done by the one and only D-Lo B. Okay, girls, I have to go now. I have to get my rest. The big day is tomorrow, and I have so much to do. Ciao. Rise and shine, but first, breakfast. Cute.
Hey Chris, over here girl.
Hey,
how you doing?
Good. Your hair looks so beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
I just don't know how you girls do it.
Do what?
Wear your hair in its natural state. It takes a lot of guts.
Oh, I didn't know you had to be brave to wear your hair in its natural state.
I mean, you look beautiful. I wasn't trying to say it like that.
Alright, so maybe instead of being so focused on your Instagram followers and this fake beauty awards that's coming up, you should be more focused on your inner self.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing, girl. I'll talk to you later.
Yes, I'll talk to you later.
Look at that. Yes, cocoa repair. Smell it good. Okay. I saw cocoa paradise. D-Lo, it's that girl again. Hello?
Hey, D. I'm on my way to the salon. Let me know if you need anything.
Chris, you didn't book your appointment with me, remember? You didn't text me.
Oh, I forgot. Is there any way you can squeeze me in?
Now, sis, you know it is Friday and I am booked like a library. Not gonna happen.
D-Lo, what am I gonna do? My hair is in shambles and I have to accept this award.
Okay, well, Chris, go on Instagram, find something, one of those, little tutorials, the little curl tutorials. You can do that. But nothing, honey. You're smart. You'll figure it out. Talk to you later. Ciao.
Twist out? Twist what? I am doomed.